Speed bumps were recently installed on the road in the town where I live. And the first time I drove over them, I thought, this is so irritating. Why now? I'm in a hurry. Even if we're not driving, we all have speed bumps in our lives. Kids who want to talk with us right now when we're in the middle of something. People at work who don't understand the direction we're headed and we need to stop and explain. And it always seems to happen when we're in a rush. Those speed bumps are there for a reason. They force us to slow down. They're traffic calming devices. Though it may seem counterintuitive, slowing down when all you want to do is speed up may be the smartest thing to do. So the next time you're frustrated by a forced pause, think of those speed bumps. Take advantage of the calming device. I'm Jenni Jepsen with your Leadership Nudge. Let us know how it goes.
I really like this nudge by Jenni because it's essentially the mental equivalent to what we called on the ship deliberate action, which was a pause before we would do something, typically turn a switch or push a button. And it's that pause that allows us to engage our brains and engage our prefrontal cortex in a relaxed and thoughtful way. If you want to learn more about this, check out chapter 16 in either the workbook or Turn the Ship Around, where we talk about deliberate action on the Santa Fe, or watch this other nudge.